Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the lifelong LLM126 face massager. There's an image of the face massager right on top. There's a very compact face massager. You can see the box. It's not a very big box. It comes with 3 attachments as well. This is perfect for skin, face and body cleansing. It's compact and portable, water resistant and two rotating speeds, and comes with 4 different attachments. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's a total of 4. And do we have information on these particular attachments? Not on the box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. So this is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have a 6 months extended warranty from Lifelong, and you have the user manual for the face massager LLM126. All the specs are mentioned. This particular face massager comes with a rated power of 3 watts. There are 4 attachments as I mentioned. These are the gentle facial brush, cosmetic sponge, body buffing brush and pumice stone. We'll take a look at each of them. Okay. Soft touch on off switch in battery compartment. There's also safety precautions, additional warnings, operations, cleaning, and also a warranty card at the very end. So important document, you should not lose this. Okay. Now let's take a look at the massager. So this is what the massager looks like. I'll show you all the different parts as well. So let's take a look at the different attachments first. This is the gentle facial brush. You can see there's a gentle facial brush. It's a very soft sponge on top. Next we have a cosmetic sponge. This is what it looks like. And this big one basically is the body buffing brush. So this is the largest attachment we have over here. And there's also a pumice stone. This is basically for exfoliation. When you want to scrub, when you want a deep scrub of your skin, this is what you use. And this is the massager in question. It comes with this beige and brown color tone. Looks very classy, I must say. There's an open button written over here. This is where the battery goes in. Let's see quickly if this actually works. It's pretty tight. Batteries are unfortunately not included, so I can't really show you how this works. So no, batteries are not included. Let me put this back on. And this is the head. This is basically the main unit. This has a 3-watt motor inside. So you can put all the attachments in, the most basic one being this one. So this is the body buffing brush. This is the most standard attachment, the largest one as well. Similarly, you can put smaller attachments over here as well. For instance, this one, or this cleaning sponge, or even the pumice stone right over here. There you go. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the lifelong LLM126 face massager. Thank you for watching.